Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix laptop buzzing noise in Windows 11, 10. First method is change recording settings. Second method is change output device settings. Third method is update audio driver automatically. Fourth method is update audio driver from my computer. Fifth method is uninstall audio driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.